Hey guys, it's Sarah, and forgive the appearance and the unflattering angle, but it's like kind of late at night, and I'm sort of sick. But I wanted to film this because I got another Voxbox. This is the Dean's List one, I think is what they called it. And it is going to be an unboxing. All I've done is cut the tape. Haven't even opened it yet, so here we go. I kind of already know what's going to be in it because I saw pictures and the website said so. I'm just going to like pull things out of it. So the first thing is this Kiss brand eyelashes. They're I don't know, it's natural tapered end lash. Yeah. The only problem I have with like natural lashes is my eyelashes are so long that sometimes they don't cover them. But anyway. And then there is a soft lips cube lip protectant sunscreen SPF 15 5-in-1 lip care. I'm kind of excited for this because I need a new chapstick. And yeah, it's like a cube. And then, okay, this is cool. These are pens, and it's the Pilot Power to the Pen Brick Scion. I don't know what that says. Clicker, the pen that makes you look perfect. Don't believe us? Try it for yourself. This new clicker by Pilot is America's first retractable, erasable gel ink pen. I just don't know how to. Oh, cool. Okay. This is what makes the pen come out. And it comes with a coupon, exclusive $1 off on a 2-pack. So there's like a little spot to draw, so I'm going to. So there we go. There. And then I'm gonna like erase it, I guess. Or try. Okay, this is creepy. It erases like really well. I don't know if you were like required in high school to get the erasable pens for like English class or whatever, but they never worked. And this is like, it's gone. That's crazy. Okay. I'm sort of impressed. And there's a blue one and a black one. Now I gotta figure out how to. Okay, and then, ooh, this is exciting. CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Fresh Complexion Oil-Free Foundation. And this is in 115 Buff Beige. I don't know if it's going to be dark or light or what. It's not bad. Like, you can kind of see that light spot. I'm actually excited. I need a foundation, obviously. Then next is Playtex Sport Fresh Balance with Odor Shield technology designed to neutralize odors, lightly scented tampons, and it's a pack of 16 of them, which is like freakishly awesome. Considering, I don't know if I've mentioned this, but this was a free box that was sent to me for like reviewing purposes. Oh my gosh, seriously, this is like the best box ever. Then there's these Airhead Bites. I've had these before, they're so good. Watermelon, blue raspberry, cherry, orange, and lemon. Then there's a Sinful Colors nail polish in No Text Red. kind of, this lighting is sucky, but, okay, there's a little thing. Practice safe texting. Introducing no text red. Texting while driving surpasses drunk driving at the cause of teen driver injuries and deaths. Stop distracted driving. Paint your thumbnail red as a reminder to not text and to drive safely. For you, for her, for him. Get your friends and family involved. And then there's like hashtag no text red. That's kind of cool. I like it. I'm actually going to paint my thumbnail right now because I don't text and drive, but hey, I need nail polish on it. This is pathetic. It's kind of a pathetic red. Like, it's going to need a couple coats to turn truly red. It kind of comes off a little pink at first. It's not bad though. It's actually a really great color. And I will show it to you. There we go. No texting and driving. And then at the bottom of the box, there's a soft lips cube. Little thing. I don't know what it is. It's like a coupon. Save $1 on any soft lips cube product. And it just kind of talks about a little bit about it. And it's a coupon. And it's celebrating 20 years soft lips. So that's cool. And then I hate when there's paper in boxes. It doesn't make sense at the bottom. No. Did you make the Dean's List Voxbox? This just tells you what to do. And then your Voxbox includes one of the following. Okay. So I got the foundation, but I guess you could have gotten Luden's new watermelon and blue raspberry throat drops. And then I got the bites and the pens and the nail polish and the lashes and the chapstick and the tampons. So that's cool. And like, okay, the thing that I like about this is didn't pay a dime, and foundation ranges from $6.99 to $8.99 in price. Got it free. These airheads range from 87 cents to $1.29. Again, free. This nail polish, $1.99. Free. This 2-pack pens, $5.75. The cube, $3.49. The lashes, $3.99. And the tampons, $3.99. And like, I didn't spend a dime. And to like become an influencer, I guess, it's like super easy. Like, I just take surveys every once in a while, and then I agree to just review these things. And it's like easy as pie. So, anyway, I'm super excited, and I will talk to you guys later. So, okay,